Alright, this is the second elevator here at Centro De Especialidades Medicina in Monterrey, Mexico. We have an Otis Gen2. I think this is a Genesis. I forgot the name, but I'll be sure to put in the title. Yep, this is an Otis Gen2 with these fixtures. It's installed in 2003. And you're at 4. And there's all the buttons are different except the third one. So down 1. We're at 1. We'll go for another ride. The door's taking forever, taking a while to close. So here we go. And the arrow is missing. So, oh, there it is, right there. This got confused. The no smoking sign over there is missing. So here at 4 again. Right down the one well there. Let's do a cab view. Such a nice Otis Gen2 elevator. Hey, there I am. Hey. And there's your Otis nameplate. Right here are the fixtures and the indicator, and here at 1. What else? Right, there it goes, and that's it.